It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams.
Hi friends! Happy birthday! Thank you for bringing Gia into our lives. God bless and enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Press! Thank you kayo sa Gia Press kay Kumila ko kayo naman blessing. Stay healthy and young. Wishing you abundance in life. Once again, happy birthday! Cheers to more success!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Press. Wishing you continued success and another remarkable year of leading Gia Wellness Corporation into a new heights. May your day be as inspiring as your leadership. Best wishes always and God bless. Thank you and enjoy your special day.
Hello, Press. Good morning, Press. Today, I know today is your birthday. Panginaw to, Press, na pagiging kakuutan. Mayo nga magka-leader, mayo sa pagkait na kutanan. Labi na yun ako, Press, nga kabalo dyan ko, kabalo ka nga kahit ako kasama ko. Pero naagapon ko, Press, bahala na, basta ngayon. Naradyo ko sa Gia. Bisan mo sa pakumasundan. Gia, nagyapon ko, Press. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Press. Wishing you many more birthdays to come, good health, and more success in life. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Press! Kanang God bless, more birthday, and salamat sa mga opportunity sa Gia Wellness Corporation nga daghan mig nakatunan o padayon sa imong pagkabuutan o nagpasalamat mi nga nakasiiu mi og buutan. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Press. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and more success to our company, Gia Wellness Corporation. And enjoy your special day together with your lovely wife, Ma'am Nonette, and of course to our Gia family. And thank you so much, Press, for bringing Gia here in Balamban. And I'm so blessed na naging part po ako as a leader and one of the Gia 64. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Press! Wishing you good health, stay humble and generous, and may you have many more years to celebrate with your family, and of course, to your Gia family. God bless! From Balamban Depot, happy birthday to you! Yeah.
Happy Natal's Day, Press. Wishing you more birthdays to come and more success in life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Press! Hope na magpadayon ng imong kabuutan o pagkamasinutano na mong tanan. God bless.
We are Rising Egoting. Happy birthday, Press George. Wishing you more success and enjoy your special day with your family. Again, happy birthday, Press.
Happy birthday, Press! Thank you for your inspiring leadership and dedication. I wish you good health, continued success, and many more achievements. Have a wonderful birthday. Apologies sa akong background karon kay nani sa production routine while the video. Once again, Press, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday, Pres. Salamat, Pres, sa imong yatag ng mga diskusyon nga. Amo yung nakamuan. Salamat sa tanan. Unya, tagaan kag may panglawas, ang imong libok pamilya, sa imong mga member tanan kami. Taganong yung kalawas ang among libok pamilya. Ako din kapilugay sa among pamilya. Kaya kung wala sila, wala dyan may mo. Happy birthday, Pres. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Press! Salamat sa mga guidance nga imong gihatag sa imong mga sakop sa Gia family. Nga diin ikaw naghatag sa kinasingkasing nga pamaagi. Salamat og happy birthday!
Happy birthday to the one who leads with both brain and heart, a great leaders, President and CEO Jobert Ricaport. Your dedication and vision inspire our entire team. Once again, happy birthday, Press.
Happy birthday!
Hi, hello, Press. I'm here on the top of the world. So, it's your birthday today. I wish all your wish will come true. With Gia Wellness, I know we can achieve our goals. Stay blessed, more power, and happy birthday to you.
Hello, Pris. Wishing you all the best in your life. Happy Natal Day. Thank you, Pris, for your unwavering leadership to build a better future, to rise as one, as Galinya.
Warmest birthday greetings to our beloved President and CEO. Happy birthday, Prince. Today, we celebrate not only your birthday, but also your remarkable leadership, strong vision, and genuine heart in leading Gia Wellness Corporation. Thank you for being a source of inspiration, strength, and motivation to all of us. Because of you, we continue to grow, believe in ourselves, and reach greater heights. May God bless you with more good health, happiness, wisdom, and abundant success. May you continue to touch more lives and lead us toward a higher and brighter, prosperous future. Happy birthday, Press, and more power. God bless you.
Press, happy birthday! Your existence has been a great help to the people and to the world.
Wishing you the best and continuous success in all your endeavors.
Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to our President of Gia Wellness Corporation, President Jobert Ricaport. Malipayon kami nga naka-appeal ni ining imong bililhong adlaw ni ining bulan sa Pebrero 2026. Salamat kaayo, happy birthday ug hinaot mi nga daghan pang mga birthday nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi uban sa imong pamilya ug kanamo nga mga directors sa Gia Wellness Corporation. Daghan patag matabangan, health, wealth, and spirituality. Again, happy birthday. God bless you and more power.
Happy birthday, Pres! I wish you more and more success in life, and all your dreams come true very soon. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday to our powerful visionary and inspiring President and CEO, Press Bird. Your leadership continues to transform lives, build dreams, and create opportunities for countless families. Because of your vision, we are not just building a business, we are building hope, purpose, and legacy. Thank you, Press, for leading with courage, integrity, and genuine care for all Guianas. We also celebrate the beautiful family that supports your mission, your loving wife, and wonderful son. Wishing you abundant blessings, long life, great health, and continued success. Happy birthday, Press Bird! Kay Nana!
Hello sa akong pinakagwapo, pinakamacho nga husband. Happiest birthday to you. I am thankful and grateful to God nga ikaw ang akong partner sa tanang aspeto sa kinabuhi sa kalipay man ug sa kalisod. You're not just a good husband for me, but also an amazing father to our son. And I'm thankful for that. Thank you for your hard work and dedication para sa atong family and also to our Gia family. Padayon lang kita no sa atong goals o sa pag-share sa atong blessings o padayon lang kita sa pagtabang o pag-share sa good news sa Gia Wellness Corporation. Daddy, ang akong wish for you nga tagaan paunta kag long life, good health ug saktong kusog ni Lord para sa pagpadayon sa atong goal sa Gia Wellness Corporation.
Di lang yun ako, tason din no, ihonghong lang yun ako ni Monya. I'm just here always for you, always supporting you every single day. Again, happy birthday to you. God bless you always, Daddy. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.